Assalamu alaikum. I'm Abdul Sattar, your chemistry tutor. Dear friends, I warmly welcome all of you in today's lesson. And today we are going to discuss a very important lesson regarding to the organic chemistry. Friends, you know that we are in the process of developing the basic concepts about the organic chemistry. And today's lesson is one of the backbone of the organic chemistry. Today we will go to discuss the classification of the organic compounds. What type of the organic compounds are present right now, we are going to discuss this one. Why the need was required to classify the organic compound, that's very much important to understand first. You know that there are million trillion compounds of organic nature. Why they are so much in this number? इतरो जो को a huge number है organic compounds जो that is because of the three reasons. That's the first one, there's a tetravalency of the carbon. Very important, the second one, that's a catenation property of the carbon. And the third major achievement है organic compound, that's the presence of the isomerism, existence of the isomerism in the organic compound. These are the three basic reasons why the huge amount of the organic compounds are present right now. So this, as the number is larger one, it's difficult to study them separately. That's why we have classified these compounds into different categories, and these are the categories, these are the type that we are going to discuss today. So come with me, we are going to see what type of the organic compounds are. Okay, now as you will see on your television screens, the topic of the lesson is classification of the organic compounds. Okay, now learning outcomes of today's lesson, yani by the end of the lesson we will be very much able to classify organic compounds into in straight chain, branch chain and cyclic compound. Yani समझो को major focus होंगे उछा जो है, that is we will go to see that the organic compound may be in the straight chain form, maybe in the branch chain form, or maybe in the cyclic type of the organic compound. All of these we will go to discuss one by one. And the second Sanjo major focus hundo, that is to recognize the structural, condensed and the molecular formula of some straight chain organic compound. Our hydrocarbons basically is discuss lesson mein, and we will see that what sort of the hydrocarbons are, yani structural formula, condensed formula and molecular formulas and we carry on. Okay, now here is a smaller introduction first, that what sort of the problem we are going to solve today. And you will see on your television screens that there are millions of organic compounds known so far, which are much larger than the total number of compounds of all other elements. That is, this is due to three reasons and compound blenda. That's the first one is the ability of carbon atom to combine with four atoms or a group of atoms. That's, as I told you, this is the tetravalency of carbon. Nature hai carbon ji tetravalency ji. That's the one reason that this is a huge number of compound present right now. The second fact is the fact that carbon atoms can combine with each other indefinitely to form stable chains and rings, that we call as the catenation property of the carbon. Yani second जो को major problem है जंजे करे इतना सारा compound present है, that is the catenation property of the carbon. Second, the existence of the isomerism. Existence of the isomerism in the organic chemistry. Yani organic chemistry में जो problem थे तो that is the isomerism in which molecules possess the same molecular formula, compound possess the same molecular formula, but different structures. And due to the difference of structure, their chemical properties will be different, their physical properties will be different. This is the reason that there are huge number of the organic compounds right now. Three major facts and about the organic compound, organic compound presence, and that's the tetravalency of the carbon, that's the catenation property of the carbon, and the third one is isomerism existing in the organic compound, and that's why there are a huge sort of the compound present right now. So due to such an enormous number, it is practically not possible to study each individual compound separately. इन जे करे जेको separately कोई compound असां न पढ़ंदासीं. That's why we have classified the compound in the form of the families. उन्हनि खे families जे form में असां classify कयो आहे जिन जो असां अॻिते हली करे डिस्कस कंदासीं. That's called as the homologous series. Different homologous series and different families आहिनि जिन खे असां understand करण जी कोशिश कंदासीं जेके असांजा initial lessons आहिनि. Okay. Now, the classification of organic compound. As I told you, the various type of the organic compounds are present, and the major जेके असां classification की है organic compounds that are conformed into the form of the open chain or alicyclic type of the organic compound, acyclic compounds, and the other one is a closed chain or cyclic type of the organic compound. यानी ब जेके main families and organic compound जो ब main जेके classifications हैं that is open chain or acyclic compound. Means no यानी cycle मौजूद न होती उन्हें में open chain form जो form में होंदा they are called the open chain. Other one will be the closed chain or the cyclic compounds. That is the organic compounds are maybe broadly classified into two categories. But major categories are जिनमें असां broadly classify किया हुआ है organic compounds के. One is called the open chain compounds and the other one are called as the closed chain type of the organic compounds. Now, first we'll go to see that what are the open chain or acyclic organic compound, and after that we will go to see that what are its सब जेके ब्रांचेस आहिनि इन जूं या सब क्लासिफिकेशन आहे इन जी उहा बि असां डिस्कस करण जी कोशिशि कंदासीं. ओपन चेन और असाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स खे जेके असां ॾिसूं, दीज कंपाउंड्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड एज एलिफेटिक. दीज आर also called as the aliphatic type of the organic compound. Aliphatic is a Greek word alephos, which means the fat. Alephos word है Greek word जिसका मतलब है fats. यानी these were the compounds first obtained from the fats. That's why they are also called as the aliphatic compounds as well. So the open chain or acyclic compounds are, these are compounds which are also called as the aliphatic type of the organic compounds as well, and they are called the open chain organic compounds. The chains may be unbranched, they may be in the straight chain form or branched as well. यानी उहे जेके ओपन चेन कंपाउंड्स आहिनि उहे अनब्रांच बि थी सघनि था ऐं उन सां गॾो गॾु जेके आहिनि उहे ब्रांच्ड चेन जे फॉर्म में बि कंपाउंड्स पॉसिबली थी सघनि था. ओके, here are some of the compounds given in front of you. तव्हांजे साम्हूं कुझु असां पिक्चर्स पिक्टोरियल फॉर्म में कुझु कंपाउंड जा मॉलिक्यूल्स तव्हांखे ॾेखारिया आहिनि. जीअं यू आर वेल अवेयर ऑफ दीज कंपाउंड. जीअं मीथेन आहे, सभु ख़बर आहे त मीथेन जो मॉलिक्यूल जेको आहे दैट्स अ मेन कंपोनेंट ऑफ अवर नेचुरल गैस. जेका असां घर में गैस इस्तेमालु पिया कयूं उन नेचुरल गैस जो मेन कंपोनेंट 96% ताईं जेके मॉलिक्यूल्स हूंदा आहिनि दे आर ऑफ दी मीथेन मॉलिक्यूल्स. उन सां गॾो गॾु ईथेन आहे, उन सां गॾो गॾु प्रोपेन जा मॉलिक्यूल्स आहिनि, ब्यूटेन जा मॉलिक्यूल्स आहिनि. ऑल ऑफ दीज आर कॉल्ड दी ओपन चेन ऑर्गेनिक compound. Acyclic, जिनमें कोई भी साइकिल इन्वॉल्व कोन्हे, that's why they are called the acyclic compounds as well. Another view of these compounds is over here. तव्हांखे ॿिया बि मॉलिक्यूल्स बि तव्हांखे स्ट्रक्चर जे फॉर्म में नज़र ईंदा. उन सां गॾो गॾु जा मॉडल्स बि ठहियल आहिनि राइट हैंड साइड ते तव्हांजे स्क्रीन ते नज़र ईंदा हूंदा. They have also the molecule model of the molecules as well. So methane, that is carbon or hydrogen जा सभई single bonds आहिनि ऐं हिते जेका स्ट्रक्चर ॾेखारी हुई आहे that central atom is a carbon and the four white जेके balls and they are of the hydrogen atoms. Same is the case with the ethane. But carbon joined and हिक ॿिए सां by means of the single bond, and all of the other bonds are the hydrogen with the carbon, and they are also of the single bond as well. उन सां गॾो गॾु प्रोपेन में तव्हां ॾिसंदो carbon, all of the bonds are single bonds while all the rest of the bonds are single bonds of carbon and hydrogen. And here in the butane you will see that all the four carbons are joined by means of the single covalent bonds. Molecular form में, structural form में तव्हांखे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ते मिलंदा. हिकु मॉडल जे फॉर्म में ॾेखारिया तव्हांखे स्मॉलर बॉल्स करे ऐं उहे तव्हांखे राइट हैंड साइड ते नज़र ग्रेइश जेके बॉल्स आहिनि दे आर ऑफ कार्बन एंड वाइटिश जेके बॉल्स आहिनि दे आर ऑफ दी hydrogen atoms. Okay, now जेके open chain organic compounds and they are subdivided into different categories. That's for example the open chain hydrocarbons may be of the saturated type and they may also be of the unsaturated type as well. यानी जेके open chain organic compounds and उहे तव्हांखे सेचुरेटेड फॉर्म में भी मिलंदा ऐं उन सां गॾो गॾु अनसेचुरेटेड फॉर्म में भी मिलंदा। हाणे सेचुरेटेड ऐं अनसेचुरेटेड छा आहिनि? सेचुरेशन इज़ वेन द कार्बन सेटिस्फाइज इट्स 4 वैलेंसीज बाय ओनली सिंगल कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड। जेकॾहिं कार्बन जो एटम कंहिं मॉलिक्यूल में 4 ई जेके कार्बन जूं वैलेंसीज आहिनि, छो इट्स अ टेट्रावेलेंट, 4 वैलेंसीज अथसि, if the 4 valencies of carbon are satisfied by means of the single covalent bond, then that compound will be called as a saturated type of the organic compound. You got my point? Okay, what I mean that when the 4 valencies of carbon are satisfied by only single covalent bond, either with the carbon carbon or with the carbon hydrogen, then that compound will be called as the saturated type of the organic compound. But what the unsaturated one is? Unsaturated compound is that one in which the carbon satisfies its valency of 4 by means of a double bond or a triple bond. जेकॾहिं कार्बन पंहिंजी 4 वैलेंसीज में मां 2 वैलेंसीज डबल बॉन्ड सां सेटिस्फाई करे थो या 3 वैलेंसीज जेके आहिनि उहे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड सां सेटिस्फाई करे थो, then that compound will be called as the unsaturated type of the organic compound. So this is the classification of the open chain organic compound into sub classification of the saturated and the unsaturated organic compounds. And here you will see that what the saturation means, that is those organic compounds in which carbon satisfies its 4 valencies by single covalent bonds, then that compound will be called as the saturated type of the organic compound. And various examples are over here. जेके फॉर एग्जाम्पल तव्हां ॾिसो मीथेन जो मॉलिक्यूल आहे, all the 4 valencies of this carbon, that's the central carbon of the methane, are satisfied by means of the single covalent bonds with the 4 hydrogens, either in the form of this structural formula or in the form of this model. तव्हांजे साम्हूं हिकिड़ो स्क्रीन ते मॉडल ईंदो हूंदो जंहिंमें ब्लूइश बॉल जेको आहे दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स द कार्बन एंड जेके रेडिश बॉल्स आहिनि दे रिप्रेजेंट द 4 hydrogen atoms. Same is the case with the ethane. जेके तव्हां ethane जी स्ट्रक्चर खे ॾिसो, its structure shows that carbon carbon possess a single covalent bond. Here carbon carbon possess the single covalent bond and the rest of the 3 valencies of each carbon are satisfied by means of the 3 hydrogen atoms by means of a single covalent bond. ताकि नजर ईंदो त किथे भी double bond involved कोन्हे, किथे भी triple bond involved कोन्हे, it means that this compound is of saturated type of the organic compound. And these are the structural formulas, and at the right hand side you will see these are the models of these molecules, and they represent that they are all containing the single covalent bond, and that's why this compound is called as the saturated type of the organic compound. Okay, now unsaturated organic compound. As I told you earlier, unsaturation means the presence of the double bond or a triple bond between the 2 carbon atoms. That is, if the 4 valencies of carbon are satisfied by means of a double covalent bond or a triple covalent bond, then that compound will be called as an unsaturated type of the organic compound. You got my point? What's the difference between the saturation and the unsaturation? That is, saturation means all the 4 valencies must be satisfied with the single covalent bonds, while the unsaturation means the valencies of 4 of carbon must be satisfied either with the 1 double bond or 1 triple bond, at least 1 double bond or 1 triple bond. उन खां वधीक केतिरा भी double bond ऐं triple bond possibly उन compound में थी सघनि था. Okay, now what the unsaturation means? Those compounds in which a carbon satisfies its 4 valencies by multiple bonds, that is by multiple bonds. And what the meaning of the multiple bond is? That is either the double bond or a triple bond. या उन compound में multiple bond जो मतलब है या double bond हुजणु खपे या उन में triple bond हुजणु खपे, then that compound will be called as the unsaturated type of the organic compound. And here is the example of the ethene, a well known example जेको first member आहे unsaturated compound जो, that is the ethene. And here you will see that there is a double covalent bond between the 2 carbon atoms, and that's the joy. ताहिता हिन compound खे structural form में ॾिसो या उन सां गॾो गॾु तव्हां खे molecular form में ॾिसो. Friends, now it's a time to take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. जी friends, break यहाँ पर यहाँ से discuss पे क्यों सी the presence of the open chain compounds into the form of the saturated compounds and the unsaturated compounds. And I told you that saturated compound possess the single covalent bonds either with the carbon-carbon or with the carbon-hydrogen, but the unsaturated compound must contain at least one double bond or one triple bond between the two carbon atoms, and then that compound will be called as the unsaturated type of the organic compound. And now come with me, I'll go to show you the molecules that possess the double bonds or triple bonds. Here you will see this is the ethene molecule, and ethene structural form double bond possess carbon-carbon possess the double bond, while in the modular form carbon-carbon still possess a double covalent. This is in the colored form and this is in the black and white form. You will see that here this is the Lewis structure of the ethene, and this shows that there is a presence of this pair of electron and this one pair of electron. That's the one pair of electron represents one bond and the two pair of electron represents a double bond. That's why it's a double bond present between the two carbon atom, and this compound will be called as the unsaturated type of the organic compound. Okay, another example of the unsaturated compound, a well-known example, that's the ethyne molecule, or in simple words we call it as the acetylene as well. यानी जो common जो compound जो है that's acetylene, and this represents the presence of the triple covalent bond between the two carbon atom, and this suggests that the compound is an unsaturated type of the organic compound, either in the this modular form जो color balls से form था दिखाई पे, and this structure, the Lewis structure also represents this one. As you'll see that there are three pair of electrons between the two carbon atom. Three pair of electrons between the two carbon atom. It means that the compound given to you is an unsaturated type of the organic compound. Okay. Now, another classification of the open chain organic compounds is either in the form of the straight chain compound or into the form of the branched chain organic compound. यानी various categories and classifications of organic compounds. One of the classification is in the form of the straight chain and the branch chain as well. एक region classification पढ़ी से that was of the saturated and the unsaturated type of the compound. Another classification of the open chain organic compounds may be in the form of the straight chain organic compounds or into the form of the branched chain organic compound. And what they are, here we are going to see. Those organic compounds in which one carbon atom holds no more than two other carbon atoms, then that compound will be called as the straight chain organic compound. यानी straight chain वही compounds होता है जिनमें एक central carbon जेका है it must be connected only with the two carbon atom at the most. यानी इन्हें कहाँ बिन कहाँ ज़्यादा atom उन्हें सां connected ना होता central carbon सां, then that compound will be called as the straight chain type of the organic compounds. Okay. As the name implies, the straight chain is a straight link of carbon atoms. One thing the one carbon will be attached only with the two carbon atom at the most. यानी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जेका central carbon से attachment होती, that will be of the two carbons only. Here, for example, this is the central carbon, and you will see that this is connected only with the two other one, this one and this one. चाहे ताहिने carbon का वठो, this is connected with this carbon and with this carbon. It means that when a central carbon is joined with the two other carbon atoms, then the compound generated will be called as the straight chain organic compound. Another example is the normal pentane. For example, normal pentane जो molecular formula C5H12 हुंदो, here all this 5 carbon atoms are joined in the form of straight link with each other. सभी जगह straight link जो form के वजह connected हैं, and that's why this is called as the straight chain type of the organic compound. Here is the butane, here is the pentane, and various examples of this class are maybe in the unsaturated form, maybe in the saturated form as well. यानी for example जेकने pentane की जगह हम pentene लिखूं, that will contain the double bond, but the compound will be present in which form? It must be in the straight chain of the carbon atom, either double bond containing carbons or either a single bond containing carbons. Then that compound will be called as the straight chained organic compound. Okay, now the second type of the organic compound may be in the form of the branched chain organic compounds. Branched chain organic compound, that the branched chain organic compounds are those compounds in which at least one carbon atom, at least one carbon atom holds more than two other carbon atoms. It will hold more than two. यानी बिन खां वधीक atom जेके central carbons attached हैं, then that compound will be called as the branched chain organic compound. One thing I am going to tell you once more that what the branch chain organic compounds are. Branch chain organic compounds are those compounds in which at least one carbon atom holds more than two other carbon atoms. As its name implies, it has branches of other chains coming off another chain. Branching is one of the reasons why there are so many isomers for each compound. ऐं जेका ब्रांचेस हैं इन जे करे जेके आहिनि उहे आइसोमर्स ठहनि था, एतिरा सारा जेके कंपाउंड ठहनि था, दे आर बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द आइसोमरिज्म एज वेल. जे फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव गॉट द एग्जांपल ऑफ आइसोब्यूटेन. Isobutane is a compound, and this compound will tell you that what the meaning of the branch chain organic compounds are. Here you will see this carbon and this carbon are in the straight chain form, but this is the problem. This group which is present on the central carbon, as I told you, the branch chain organic compounds are there, those in which the central atom will hold more than two carbon atom. जो central atom होंदो वो more than two carbon atom के hold कंदो, then that compound will be called as the branched chain of organic compound. And you will see here this carbon is joined with the how many? That is with this carbon and with this carbon. So central carbon contains how many carbon atoms? Three carbon atoms, three other carbon atoms. That's why this compound is called as the branched type of the organic compound. And now I hope that you have got my point. What the point is, main point is over here for the branch organic compounds, that is the central atom of that compound will hold more than two carbon atoms, either in the one carbon atom or in a group of carbon atoms can be joined. This example is also shown in the modular form as well. Central carbon में ॾिसंदो त जेके टे carbon जा ॿ atoms attached आहिनि around this central carbon atom, that shows that the compound given to you is a branched chain organic compound. Okay, another example is the isopentane. Isopentane, ऐसे खबर है त isopentane में 5 carbons हूंदा, 5 carbons will be joined with each other, but in various phase मुख्तलिफ तरीक़नि सां उहे atoms पाण में join थी सघनि था. Straight chain में थींदा join त वो straight open chain organic compound, straight chain organic compound ठही वेंदो. But if one of the carbon is joined with the 3 other carbon atom, just for example here you will see this is a central carbon atom and it is joined with the 3 other, this one, this carbon and this carbon. That's why this compound is called as the branched chain type of the organic compound. जेकॾहिं branch chain में सां हिकु example वठूं, that is for example I am going to show you the example here. This is the central carbon atom, this is one of the CH3 group, this is an other CH3 group, this is an other CH3 group, and here is the fourth CH3 group. This is also a branched chain type of the organic compound, and which is called as the neopentane, which is called neopentane. Common नालो जो कोई compound जो है, that is called the neopentane. And जेकर systematically ॾिसूं असां, this is the longest chain of carbon atoms, and here is the branch, here is another branch. So it is called as 2,2-dimethyl propane. It is 2,2-dimethyl propane is the name of the compound. जेकर systematic नालो ॾिसंदासीं, this is called 2,2-dimethyl propane, while simply common name is the neopentane. And you will see the central carbon atom possesses the 4 methyl groups present on this chain. That's why this is also called as the branched chain type of the organic compound. Okay. Now the closed chain type of the organic compound. Closed chain type of organic compound may, some of the compound will be of the homocyclic type of the organic compound, and the other one classification will be called as the heterocyclic type of the organic compound. So जेकर असां cyclic compound खे वठूं, then the cyclic compounds are majorly of the two types. One type is called as the homocyclic type of the organic compound, and the other one is called as the heterocyclic type of the organic compound. What they are, we are going to explain it with the help of the examples. मुख्तलिफ example खड़ी करे असां इनखे explain करने की कोशिश कंदासीं, and you will see that what they are. Now it is second category of the organic compound, यानी जो कि closed chain organic compound है, it is second category of the organic compound if the carbon atom attach with each other to form a cyclic chain, or a ring like structure, then it will be a closed chain organic compound. What they are, we will go to explain with the help of the examples as well. These closed chain organic compounds can be further classified into two categories. वधी करने के साथ इन categories में explain करे सकूँ था. One is called as the homocyclic type of the organic compound, which are also called as the carbocyclic compounds as well, because the chain is containing only the carbon atoms. That's why they are also called as the carbocyclic compounds as well. Homocyclic means there should be the same atoms joined with each other in the form of the cycle. If as in understood I जेका असां डिस्कस पिया कयूं organic compounds आहिनि त जेकी chains ठहंदियूं they will be made up of the carbon only. That's why they are also called as the carbocyclic compounds as well. So the second category of these compound is called as the heterocyclic type of the organic compound. But major classifications, and one is called the homocyclic organic compound and the other one is called the heterocyclic type of the organic compounds. Okay, now we are going to see friends, it's again time for a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. जी friends, break खां पहिरियां असां डिस्कस कयोसीं the type of the organic compound which is called as the cyclic type of the organic compound, and cyclic compounds are classified into the sub classification which we call as the homocyclic type of the organic compounds and the heterocyclic type of the organic compound. What they are, we are going to see what the meaning of these words are. Here you will see that alicyclic compounds are one class of the homocyclic compound is called as the alicyclic type of the organic compound, and the other one is called as the aromatic type of the organic compound. Friends, जेका असां classification पढ़ूंगा, that's about the cyclic compounds, and the cyclic compounds majorly are of two type. Which one? One is called as the homocyclic type and the other one is called as the heterocyclic type of the organic compound. And जेके homocyclic compounds आहिनि उन्हें जो further classification है, they are further classified into two classes. One is called as the alicyclic type of the organic compounds and another one is called as the aromatic type of the organic compounds. यानी जेके कार्बोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स हैं या होमोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड जो नालो रखूं पिया, दे आर फर्दर क्लासिफाइड टू टू क्लासेस. वन इज कॉल्ड एज दी alicyclic type of the organic compound and the other one is called as the aromatic type of the organic compound. Now what they are, we are going to see with the help of different examples for the explanation of these words. Alicyclic type of the organic compounds, what they are, the word suggests that it is composed of aliphatic and cyclic. Ali जेको शुरू वारो आहे that represents the aliphatic and the last cyclic means these are the compounds which are in the cyclic form but their properties will be resembling to the aliphatic type of the organic compounds. यानी जेके इन जो properties हैं वो open chain organic compound जियां होंदियूं but they are present in the structural wise they are present in the cyclic form. That's why they are called the alicyclic type of the organic compounds. Now alicyclic are those closed chain compound which resemble in their properties with open chain organic compound. यानी जो के properties हैं वो open chain organic compound जियां होंदियूं, that's why they are called the aliphatic cyclic. Aliphatic, ali last initially जो ali है that represents the aliphatic and then alicyclic organic compound means the properties of the compound will be resembling to the open chain type of the organic compounds. Example जेकर असां ॾिसूं, one example is cyclohexane. It is a hexane, 6 carbon atoms joined with each other in the form of a cycle. homocyclic in je kare so all the carbon atoms are joined with each other, that's why they are called the homocyclic as well. This is also called as a carbocyclic as well. So you will see that carbon atoms are joined to each other and each carbon possesses the 2 hydrogens as well. So that's why the molecular formula comes out to be C6NH12. Same is the case in this structure, that's a modular form of the cyclohexane as well. Central je ke tahan atoms nazar inda, they are of the carbon and rest of them are connected, which are the hydrogen atoms with this structure. Okay, another examples alicyclic compounds and that is for example cyclopentane. Cyclopentane, and pentane means 5 carbon atoms will be joined to each other in the form of a cycle. How? Like this one. Like this one. Now each carbon are joined with each other, यानी बजे के valencies carbon जो satisfy थे रहन, they are with the carbon atom. बाकी जे के rest of the 2 valencies will be satisfied with the 2 hydrogens with each carbon. हर carbon सा बा hydrogens attach होना like this one, and here is the structure which we call as a cyclohexane. So if the carbon atoms are joined with each other in the form of a cycle, then these compounds will be called the carbocyclic compounds as well. And this is the class of the compound which we call the alicyclic type of the organic compounds as well. Okay, Jika second type of the homocyclic organic compound is a very important class of the compounds which is called the aromatic type of the organic compounds. Now what the aromatic compounds are? These are the compounds in which must contain at least one benzene ring in their structures and they must follow Huckel rule. It's a bit higher chemistry as compared to the 10th class, but right now you must know that what the aromatic compounds are. The compounds which possess the benzene ring in their structures and they will go to follow the Huckel rule, then these compounds will be called as the aromatic type of the organic compound. And a well known example is that's a benzene, and what the benzene is, you will see that carbon possess the double bond, then single bond, carbon double bond, single bond, alternate double bond is single bond, jekin structure 6 carbon atom connected hojan, then that structure will be called the benzene structure. Common name of the compound is the benzene, that's why this is an aromatic type of the organic compound. Colored form mein diso ya black and white picture hai samu unaki tane so this sort of the compound will be called as the aromatic type of the organic compound, and various examples are over there. We can see other examples as well. Just for example, if we represent this is the benzene nucleus, if this benzene nucleus contain one OH group, then a very important compound is going to be generated which is called as the phenol molecule. This is the phenol molecule. Similarly, if this benzene nucleus possess CH3 with any carbon, then a very important compound is going to be generated which is called as the toluene molecule, and this is the way various important compounds are going to be prepared with the help of the benzene. In a benzene mein काफी सारा compounds generate kare सकूँ था, then these sort of the compound will be called as the aromatic type of the organic compounds. Okay, next jika somewhat category I compound see, they are called the heterocyclic type of the organic compound, and the word implies what the heterocyclic means. Heterocyclic means the ring, the cycle of the compound will contain an other atom other than carbon. Other than carbon को member of the ring becomes other atom, just like nitrogen या sulfur आए या oxygen आए, जेकरे वह member of the ring become जे तौर behave करना, then that compound will be called as the heterocyclic type of the organic compound. How they are? You see here, heterocyclic compounds are those organic compounds which contain at least one or more heteroatoms. One or more heteroatoms in a closed chain structure. These heteroatoms may be oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and etc. Multiple valent atoms, and possibly they can become the part of the ring. and that's why these sort of the compound will be called as the heterocyclic type of the organic compound. And heterocyclic choda chho unke because the member of the ring is other than carbon. Carbon to hunda hi definitely वो चार atom जरूर carbon में मौजूद हूंदा, but other than carbon atom just like nitrogen, oxygen आए या sulfur आए, if they are the member of the ring, then that type of the compound will be called as the heterocyclic type of the organic compound. And here are the different example. Here for example pyridine है, pyridine में तारे संदो जेके एंगल्स हैं, they are representing the carbon. ये जितना भी एंगल्स हैं ये सभी कार्बन के रिप्रेजेंट पैकन, and here this is the atom which is other than the carbon. बाकी जेके 5 एटम्स हैं वही कार्बन एटम्स हैं, while one atom of which is the member of the ring is the nitrogen. That's why this is a hetero atom as compared to the carbon. That's why the compound is called as the heterocyclic type of the organic compound. Same is the case with thiophene. Thiophene तारे संदो, this is the carbon, this is the carbon, this is the carbon, and this is the carbon. But here one atom which is other than the carbon, which is the sulfur atom. That's why this is called the heterocyclic type of the organic compound. Furan है जी है, furan में तारे सो, this is the angle which is representing the carbon. The carbon, here is the carbon, here is the carbon, but here the central one of the atom which is other than the carbon, which is oxygen, with that molecule will be called as a furan, and this is a heterocyclic type of the organic compound. One another example is that the pyrrole, for example, जेके angles हैं ये carbon की represent पैकन, but here one atom which is other than carbon, which is a part of the ring, which is the member of the ring. That's why this compound is called the heterocyclic type of the organic compounds. So this is the way how the molecules, how the organic compounds are going to be classified into the different classes, into the different categories. Now all these classifications can be shown with the help of a in a roundup form में flow chart form में ताकि सां जेको वो दिखाने की कोशिश कंदासीं. And here you see overall classification of the organic compound is given in a flow chart form. एक flow chart है जिन जो form में ताकि नजर ईंदी तो what we are going to mean by the classification of the organic compound. All the organic compounds can be in this way, that is open chain, which we call as the acyclic. A means no cycle, कोई भी ना होने में involvement of the cycle will be not over there, or they are also called as the aliphatic type of the organic compounds as well. Open chain, acyclic or aliphatic type of the organic compound, one category of the organic compound, and the other category is the closed chain, which we call as the cyclic compounds as well. जेकर असां further classify क्यों open chain structures के, then you can classify them into the form of the straight chain form or into the form of the branched chain form. And further energy classification करना चाहिए, one of the class will become the saturated one and the other becomes the unsaturated type of the organic compounds. जेकर असां closed chain structures की classify further क्यों, then they can be sub-classified into the form of the homocyclic compounds, and the other one will be called as the heterocyclic type of the organic compounds. And जेके homocyclic compounds and they are further classified into the form of the alicyclic type of the compounds, and the other class of the compound will be called as the aromatic type of the organic compound. Ji friends, this is overall classification of the organic compound. And why we have classified the compound? Because of the reasons that there are million trillion compound which are of the organic nature, otherwise it would have been a mass in the organic chemistry. जेकर इनका classification न हो जाए तो पॉसन के study की हुआ, that would have been very much difficult for us to study the properties, the preparations and various other things regarding to the organic compound, and that's why they are going to be classified into different classes. मुख्तलिफ classes में सन की classify किया हुआ है. Actually करे ताला संदो, they are classified into the form of the category of the subtopic that we will discuss in next lessons में, which we call as the homologous series. And homologous series will go to clarify that what type of the organic compounds are. But broadly speaking, all of these compounds are present in this sort of the classification that we have discussed in front of you. Okay. Now friends, one more thing that I want to share with you. If you have got the molecular formula, how you will go to change them into the form of the structural formula or the condensed formula मिलल हुजे तो उनके तां open chain form में क्या convert कंदो, that is the second the subtopic of today's lesson. That's, for example, we have got a compound that is C3 and H8. If you have got the molecular formula of a compound, that is, this is the molecular formula, and now how will you go to convert this molecular formula into the form of the structural formula? This is the molecule of propane, a compound है which we call as the propane molecule, and that we are going to convert into the structural formula. How? First you have to write down the 3 carbons with the help of the single covalent bond. Single covalent bonds असने की show कराया उसे 8 hydrogens can be arranged around these 3 carbons, sorry. Here 3 hydrogens will be attached with this carbon, 3 hydrogens can be attached with this carbon, and 3 hydrogens can be attached with this hydrogen, because we know the valency of carbon is 4. That's why the 4 valencies of this carbon are satisfied, 1 with this carbon and 3 with these 3 hydrogen atoms. While central carbon it is joined with this carbon, but it's lacking 2 valencies. That's why we are going to arrange 2 hydrogens with this central atom, and this is the way how to convert the molecular formulas into the form of the structural formula. This is a technique how you convert the molecular formulas into the structural formulas. First you have to write down the carbon atoms by meaning of the single covalent bond, and you have to provide the hydrogens, rest of the valencies of carbon, and they can be satisfied with the help of the hydrogens, and then the compound produced will be your structural formula of the given compound. Dear friends, now we have discussed so far the classification of the organic compound and how to write down the structural formula from a given molecular formula. जेकॾहिं तव्हांखे molecular formula provide कयो वञे त उनखे structural form में कीअं convert कंदो, that's a technique that I told you how to convert it. Now we are going to see that we are going to check out your comprehension, how much you have got from this lesson. तव्हां हिन lesson में केतिरो जेको understand कयो आहे, that I am going to check out for your comprehension. Multiple choice questions and अॼु lesson जा that we are going to share with you, and I hope that you will go to answer these questions very much correctly जेकॾहिं असां जेका knowledge तव्हां ते provide की आहे. First question of today's lesson is, which of the following is the best representation of an unsaturated organic compound? Which of the following is the best representation of an unsaturated organic compound? 4 options तव्हां वटि मौजूद आहिनि. Option A, Option B, Option C और Option D. तव्हांखे ॿुधाइणो आहे त which of the following is the best representation of an unsaturated organic compound? हिकिड़ो ऑप्शन इन मां करेक्ट ऑप्शन हूंदो, तव्हांखे उहो ऑप्शन ॿुधाइणो आहे त इन मां अनसेचुरेटेड कंपाउंड खे बेस्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन कहिड़ो फॉर्मूला करे पियो. ओके, सेकंड क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडेज लेसन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एलिसाइक्लिक टाइप ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड? Which of the following is an alicyclic type of the organic compound? Is it benzene, cyclopentane, pyridine or normal hexane? Which of the following is an alicyclic type of the organic compound? Is it benzene, cyclopentane, pyridine or is it normal hexane? Last question of today's lesson, which of the following compound is an alkane? Friends, तव्हांखे ॿुधाइणो आहे त which of the following compound is an alkane? Is it propane? Is it ethene? Is it ethine or is it propene? Which of the following compound is an alkane? Propane, ethene, ethine, propene. Now these are the 3 questions given to you and you are expected to answer them in time so that we can announce you who is the winner of that MCQs of that lesson. Dear friends, that was all about today's lesson, and I hope that if you have any problem, any query, you can ask us by sending mail to us, by calling us, participating in our program by live call or sending us any SMS. We'll be very much happy to answer your questions and I hope that you have enjoyed the program. Thank you very much for being with us. Have a nice time. Take care and Allah Hafiz.